Ahoy Rum Explorers, I'm Nia, and today we're gonna start the process of switching our guest room to the new studio slash background. So super excited. We just got rid of the bed this week, so this is like day 2 of this. So there used to be a bed right here, and our plan is to redo the floors. So today the main thing is to move this and all the stuff that's on the bottom, because we're redoing the floors that's on the bottom, and figure out where to fit that in. Yeah, but there's a lot. So we're gonna leave everything on the top shelves, but get rid of all of this stuff here and then move this into the living room. We just found tile underneath the carpet. It's crazy. And it's not bad. Why would they cover that? That's so stupid. So here's the floor. And then this is the original floor. This is like from the 50s that this house is from. But it's crazy. Look at this towel, it's not bad at all. Holy crap. So, week 2 of the project. Sadly, another little hiccup. However, they painted these walls. They did a super crappy job. A couple of things. Phil's gonna fill that little hole on the bottom, and he removed everything in here. He's plastering the holes and making everything smooth so we can just restart fresh, which is amazing. So excited. The floors were so hard to get out. Huge kudos to Phil for all his hard work on the floors. It was brutal. Once again, as you can see, you can tell just from the difference on the floor. This is nice and clean, and this has like some residue looking stuff. It seems like they use some kind of crazy cement versus using the standard stuff to adhere tile. So since we were here, we decided to go ahead and paint the walls, which honestly have been a bitch to paint. Picked like a grayish blue for the background. I hope it would help. And excited to see this second coat. So this is coat number 1. Okay. There's these little things you put in between the tiles. That was underneath there. Okay, just as I thought we were done, Phil was saying that now we have to seal this. So you see this tiny little roller? I'm supposed to grab this and put it on the grout lines. You can see the difference in color. We're sealing the grout basically. Luckily he only, because I was traveling so much, he only left me this area and this little area, so I think I'm in a good spot, but this is fucking crazy, man. These people that do this is crazy.